Hello, good morning, girls. And today we discuss about the annual report, its definition and structure. Definition of annual report. Annual reports measure a corporation's financial health. They focus on past and present financial performance and make predictions about future prospects. एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स जो होती है वो किसी भी कॉरपोरेशन की फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ को मेजर करती है। दूसरी महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि वो पास्ट और प्रेजेंट के फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस और उसका प्रेडिक्शन करती है कि फ्यूचर में इसके क्या प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स होंगे। बाय लॉ, एनी कॉर्पोरेशन दैट होल्ड्स एन एनुअल मीटिंग फॉर स्टॉक होल्डर्स और सिक्योरिटी होल्डर्स is required to issue an annual report. The report gives a synoptic view of the organizational structure, functions, and activities of the ministry undertaken during the previous financial year. And the first 3 quarters of the current financial year, the activities inter alia relates to the implementation of the various acts administered by the ministry and its attached subordinate offices. The report also mentions the special initiatives taken during the year towards the improved environment for corporate governance. Annual reports introduce your board of directors and key personals to shareholders, stakeholders, and the general public, and often contain photographs of these people. A letter to a company's shareholders appears at the beginning of the annual reports. It highlights the information of the particular interest, such as the brief overview of profits, successful marketing strategies, campaigns, changing business conditions, and information about the company's plan for the upcoming years. The letter is written by the highest member of the company's administration, such as the chairman of the board or the chief executive officer, and helps set a positive tone for the annual reports. Now we discuss the structure. Annual reports are comprehensive documents designed to provide readers with information about the company's performance in the preceding years. The reports contains the information such as performance highlights, a later form, the CEO, financial information and objectives and goals for future years. Annual reports provide a significant amounts of information for its readers who will be able to get the good overview of the company's overall performance in the preceding years. And it is important to note that many annual reports are not traditional reports with large amounts of text. Many companies often incorporate a lot of graphics and images, resulting in visually appealing documents. The structure of the annual reports undoubtedly will vary according to each company, but most annual reports will generally contains the following. Number one, a letter from the president or CEO. Number two, performance highlights from the preceding year. Number three, financial statements. Number four, performance and outlook for future years. Right? Okay, girls.